Getting around in Salesforce, navigating the basics. Salesforce is a valuable tool, and learning the interface and where it stores our info will help you make the most of your experience. How does Salesforce organize our info? Salesforce groups our data into logical categories called objects. An object is a collection of fields named for the kind of information those fields capture. There are two types of Salesforce objects. Standard objects are included with our Salesforce license. These are the most commonly used objects, such as contacts, accounts, opportunities, cases, etc. Custom objects are created to meet the council's specific needs and include addresses, events, event ideas, event series, committees, committee members, etc. Now let's take a look at navigating the object home tabs. Currently, we're on the Contact Home tab. In the desktop application, commonly used objects are found by clicking on their tabs, which appear at the top of your screen. So we're on the Contact Home tab. There's the accounts, opportunities, dashboards, reports, etc. To work with our data, click an Objects tab and you will find the name of the object and the type of data you are viewing, in this case, contacts. You're going to also get list view options, and a list view narrows your contacts to a specific set. For example, you can choose to view all contacts, recently viewed, etc. The list of recently viewed records is visible for every standard and custom object and cannot be customized. So let's take a look at the list view. Currently, the default is recently viewed, but let's say we want to take a look at a different list view. We'd like to look at maybe all contacts. We would simply click on all contacts, and let's say we prefer for all contacts to be our default list view. We would then pin this list view, and now all contacts is going to be our default list view. So if we go to accounts, it's the default of recently viewed, opportunities, recently viewed, but then let's go back to contacts where we pinned all contacts. And now this is our default list view. Next, let's take a look at the Home tab. The Home tab can be customized for different teams, and that means that each team can access the data that matters most to them. Currently, we are on the Executive Team's Home tab, also the Development Team's Home tab. They actually are the same, because both executive team and development team want to be looking at the same revenue dashboards, so they have the same home page. We also have a programs team home tab and a database services team home tab. If you'd like to have a home tab created for your team, let us know, and we'd be happy to create one for you. And that's navigating the basics of Salesforce.